All right, so I've been getting a lot of comments lately and questions about growing your hair out. So I'm going to give you some specific advice if you are looking to grow your hair out from one hairstyle to the next. So one of the more common ones and more frequently asked questions is, I'm trying to grow, like say, into the TikToker haircut, but I have a mullet right now, or I want to grow my hair, into like something like this, and I've got long hair in the back. Do I just chop it off in the back and start from scratch? Like, what do I do? Okay, so there's really a number of ways you can go when it comes to growing your hair out for a specific haircut. The key really is are you okay with losing hair length in certain areas? Meaning, like, let's just take this mannequin, for example, right here. And you want a hairstyle, say like this, right? You want to grow the top out, and you're afraid that, what do I do with the back here? Do I just let the top grow? Do I let the back grow? Is it going to grow into a mullet? Well, just try to break it down and simplify it as best as you can. If all this hair on top here, right, starts to grow, guess what? The hair here is going to grow, the hair here is going to grow. So what's going to happen is everything's going to eventually start to look like kind of very unbalanced. So this mullet will continue to get longer and longer as the top gets longer. So in my opinion, if you're trying to grow your hair out into a specific style, say something like this, the best way to go about doing it is to try to duplicate the haircut as best as you possibly can and work with what's left on top. Meaning, if you want to grow the top long, get rid of all the hair throughout the sides here, throughout the back, and make this the longest point. So you're working and cutting all the hair off that's not needed. So as your hair grows out, it's going to grow out the right way. So eventually, all this hair will be much longer, and you're not going to have tons of hair here or even longer mullet than you already have. So you have to be okay with getting rid of all this hair. And also, just be sure, like, here's another example. All right, say you want to grow the top out, which this top is much shorter than this top, all right? And let's just look at these kind of side by side here. So you've got these two, okay? These two right here. And you want to have your hair, this one, like this. But what's going to happen is if you continue to grow it, all of the hair in the back is going to keep getting longer and longer. So what you need to do is trim down the sides here and trim it and then leave this longer. So it's all about shaping, okay? It's all about, you could actually take off just minimal amounts of hair and not have to like completely get rid of it. But that's where the experience comes in, okay? That's where the experience comes in when it comes to hairstyling and finding the right professional who knows hair, who knows how to work with hair, who knows how to help you grow hair out. Many times in the past, with clients I've worked on, I've actually cut their hair to grow out. And it may take me, 2 months or 3 months or 4 months, 5 months, whatever. They eventually get to that point, but I helped guide them through the way, and I cut what was needed. And that may just have been, hey man, we're gonna keep growing the top, and I'm just gonna keep trimming this down, step by step, phase by phase, so that it looks good as it grows out. And I might not shave all this off, and because I wanna grow it out in a very subtle, natural way. So the approach to whatever the haircut is and whatever you're trying to accomplish, that's what's really, really important. So, let me know in the comments below if you've experienced this, if this video helped you, or tell me a story if you're trying to grow your hair out and somebody completely butchered your hair and did the wrong thing, right? Where they cut the top really short and just completely massacred it. I'd love to know so I can help you as well. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 for 20% off at shop.thesalonguy.com. And it's free shipping in the United States on orders with a value of over $50. So thanks so much, and I'll see you soon.